Hi guys, what's gaming? So today I'm playing Pass the Bomb. So yeah, don't mind my screen shaking cause I'm taking off dirt in my phone. I don't know. Don't be dirt. Okay, so let's spectate them and let's see how many are left. Oh my gosh, why can't I not? Perfect. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11. Oh, there, I don't know. I think there's still a few. 13, 14, or maybe 12. Yeah. So, I'm gonna pause this video. Bye. So guys, there's only 10 left. So guys, there's only 5 left. So yeah. So guys, I found a random avatar. What the heck? What the heck is that? 3 left. Anyways, before the game starts, make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channels. And if you want more videos like this, comment down below. So guys, the game is about to start. Information first. 2, 1. Now we gotta pass the bomb. Hey, we're here. Oh my gosh, why is the map like this? Gosh, the bomb is over there. Oh my gosh. So y'all go here. Not there. Where's the bomb? Oh, over there. So y'all, sorry if the map is ugly. I'm just lagging, but this is okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my, I have the bomb. I have the bomb.
Run away.
I wanna be a toot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was so close. I'm so angry. Just kidding. What's this? Studio stupid. Oh, what? Oh, it is studio. Anyways, here's the bomb. Oh my gosh. Look, there's the bomb. Oh my gosh. I hope I win this game. Oh my gosh. I have the bomb. Guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so lucky. Okay. Oh my gosh. No. Yo. Oh my gosh. This one, I don't like this game. I wanna be here. Go here. Oh my gosh. I'm in the top. Oh my gosh, I have the bomb. Y'all. Oh my gosh. I think it's a random person. I hope I win. So yeah. If you're new to this channel, you're always welcome. Bye. Yeah, I already said that in the first part. Ow! That. Oh my gosh, what are they doing? No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't. Hindi pa. Oh my gosh. That was so close. I almost had the bomb. Y'all. The map is so ugly, but don't mind that. Oh my gosh. I have the bomb. Please help. Send help. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Yes. Oh my gosh. I was panicking, bro. I was so scared. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Where's the bomb? No. No. I have the bomb. Oh, no. No. So that I think that's the end of the video. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye.